Subscribe to our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Bam Bam and Kid! Yay! And today we have a bunch of slimes from Toysmith. This video is sponsored to Toysmith. Thank you so much, Toysmith. These look really cool, and we're gonna get to opening. Are you ready?
Yeah. So,
Alright.
what these are what the beads look like. And this is what this is the blue slime.
Wait, we have to start off. Alright, so which slime do you guys want to start off with?
I'll
first?
start with the blue one.
I guess I'll start with this one. You?
That's it.
This one. Alright. So this is the one I have.
And this is the one I have. I showed them the one that I have.
Look at the stars. They're so glittery.
This is
And
what
then
I have.
the
Look at
purple.
this one. Look at this one. Hey, kid, feel these beads. They feel. Make sure you like, subscribe, another video.
Now look at the beads that Valley Cat has.
Whoa. This is what mine looks like. It is so nice. Oh, and it's so fun to play with.
Okay. Let me try my slime. This is like galaxy slime. It's so soft. This isn't like any ordinary slime.
It feel mine.
Oh wow. It's like very stretchy. It's see-through. Oh, this is such a nice slime. This is one of the best slimes I've ever gotten.
Toysmith. I love these. I gotta put beads in it now. Still got in it.
You think this is
Still
pretty
got
narrow?
in it,
What
too.
if I put the stars inside?
Hey, you can put a teeny tiny bit of beads inside.
I bet you it's gonna look better. Ooh.
I'll give you a couple beads. Let's give you a couple.
Hi.
I'll give you a couple beads. Get a couple beads on it.
Ooh.
How does it feel, kid?
It feels really crunchy, but still like very nice. Ooh, look at Baby Bams. Look how watery it is. It looks like water.
Oh my god.
That one really looks like a galaxy.
Look at this one. Oh, it's shaped as a cup. Whoa. Oh my god. It's glittery already. Look at in this one. Oh my. Look at this one. Look at it has glitter in it.
Look at Baby Bams.
Hey,
Are those slime toys?
Oh look.
What is
Look at that. It's a little spicy.
You got a dinosaur. Roar. If you guys haven't seen the video when we went on the adventure and we saw all the dinosaurs, make sure to go check that out. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, and oh, look at this.
Whoa.
Baby Bear, oh, you're so funny.
I'm gonna add a teeny tiny bit of consistency in there. Is another dinosaur.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Hey, it didn't even do anything. Look at this. It didn't even do anything. Look at this, kids.
All right.
Look at this another
Look how
one.
far it stretches.
Hey, look at this, kids. Hey, look at this, kids. I know they're looking.
And it's one of my favorite colors, purple.
Oh, like mine.
My first favorite color is pink, but my second favorite color is purple. I also like blue.
Me too. Blue's a nice color. I like turquoise. Look at this.
Blue. This is a very nice slime.
I know. Maybe I can mix it in.
Oh, look, a slime toy. It's beautiful.
A boy with flavor. Pie. Dinosaur. Pie.
Look how much this looks like water. Water.
I again. I'm putting beads in mine. Like 13.
feels like what?
Toysmith.
I love it so much. It's so
Look
cool.
at this one.
This is like a really good slime. Really good. Sally Cat, what do you think of this slime? Awesome.
I can play with it all day. Hey guys, so it's Baby Ram and Kid and Sally Cat. So look at my slime. It's this
What's in there?
dinosaur.
Alright, guys.
Dinosaurs. Can you show everybody?
Yeah, look at this.
Okay,
I got it for dinosaur with it. I got this one for dinosaur with it. There's slime on it too.
Let me see, what else do you have? Let me see. Wait, let him finish. I don't think he's finished yet. Look at this huge giant ball.
Look at this.
It's so squishy.
I got it for dinosaur.
You have one more.
How does it
Can
feel?
you get that out? Hey, Bam, feel this ball. It feels weird.
Let's see.
Whoa. I just saw like a piece of slime.
Oh, look at that. It's full of holes and then just like you squeeze it and slime oozes out of it.
I think you're supposed to like put it in a bunch of slime. There's some slime. Okay.
What's that, baby Bam? What you got there?
Spiky ball.
A spiky ball. Can you show everybody what it looks like? Oh. Wow, look at that. That blue slime comes with 3 dinosaurs and a green ball with holes and then a spiky ball.
Let me see that.
That's a lot of surprises.
All right. So we have we have slime and unicorns, and we have unicorn poop. Have you ever wondered where unicorn slime and unicorn poop comes from? Alright, so if you guys didn't know, again, this is slime and unicorns and unicorn poop. Alright, let's open it. This is what it looks like. It's all glittery and pink.
And this is
My favorite color.
it's rainbow.
So,
Ugly your favorite color.
what?
What's your favorite color?
Green? Oh, it actually has a bubble!
This is your favorite color.
See, show everybody.
It's all see-through. I really like it.
Rainbow.
It has a unicorn in it.
It has a rainbow in it.
Alright, so this is the slime I got. It's pink and it's really, really, really glittery. I really like it. This is, like I said, this is one of the best slimes ever.
Whoa, it's so see-through. Guys, like we can see you.
It's not like those other slimes, those really cheap slimes, the ones that are like really messy and are really hard to clean up. But this slime, it stays together and it's like really, really stretchy and it breaks apart too. That's really cool.
Look at this, kids.
Wow. Oh, there's stuff inside. Alright, so this is the first thing I managed to get out. It's a unicorn and it's really, really stretchy. This is a turquoise unicorn. Alright, let's see what else there is. This is kind of the one that Baby Bam has, right? Except mine has unicorns and his has dinosaurs.
Yeah, and mine, it just has slime and peach.
This one is a purple unicorn and it's sitting down. I really like how it has like stuff inside and it's not just like a regular slime.
Mine came on too. Got.
What do you think of your slime, Sally
Got
Cat?
here this
It's awesome
kid.
and mine came with
You got
one,
here this
too.
kid. You got here this. We'll hold on.
Whoa! This is a unicorn with wings. It's flying. Super unicorn.
I think that's called a Pegasus.
A Pegasus. It's a Pegasus.
Can I see it?
Yep.
Whoa. It
Yeah.
has swim in the wings.
Alright, now there's a rainbow inside. Look at it.
Here you go, kid. Whoa.
We want to thank Toysmith for these awesome slimes. And also, have a parent go check out their website. They have awesome stuff like this and more on their website. Woo! Yeah.
Hey, what do you think of that unicorn poop, Belly Cat?
Awesome. I can make a rainbow every day. This is
Octo ink with the slime sucker?
Here, can I open it for you? Alright, let's see what this Octo ink is all about.
Fill it, kids. Fill
Alright,
it.
now
Fill
let's
it.
throw up.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Give it a try. What do you think of it?
I'm gonna keep playing with my slime.
What do you think of it, baby bear?
Good.
Valley Cat, what do you think of it?
Good. Yeah.
I think it's really cool. Thank you again, Toysmith. Overall, all the slimes are super awesome. I highly recommend them. And make sure to go check out Toysmith if you want these awesome slimes and other really awesome toys. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye! Bye! Woo!
Hey BBK Squad, thanks again for watching. We would also like to thank Toysmith for these amazing gifts. Make sure to check out their website for more awesome toys. Ask your parents' permission. And don't forget to check out our other fun videos.